Constitution guarantees marriage equality.
As against, or you pull back?
I am a Negro, and I'm very
But
proud.
I remember the feeling that it left.
When I know in Mississippi, I had a good life and I had a hard life, but nothing as hard as my grandparents, as my father, as my mother, as friends of ours who were in the cotton fields, because I didn't have to go to the cotton fields. My parents did. My father did. And so I went there, but I didn't have to work in it. And that's hard work, because I went out as I got older to the cotton fields to see what it was all about, to understand, to touch, to get cut on the cotton. You don't realize, you think cotton's soft. It comes in these little plastic bags that you can get, and it's in different sizes. That cotton is soft, but to get to the soft part, you have to go into the hard thorns that are surrounding it. At that time, in the 50s and the 60s, we had common blues going on, where we called that colored, Negro. I mean, African Americans have a whole lineage of names, but at that time I remember I could not walk on the same sidewalk as a white person when they came out of the store. I had to step down on the street. We did not go into the movie theaters. We went into the movie theaters from the outside the back and going up to the crow's nest, which is actually a pretty good place to look at movies, but that was not the premium place to look. You had white water fountains, you had colored water fountains, and you better not switch, because you could get jailed, you could get beaten. In certain instances, you could get lynched and you can get killed.